Look, artificial intelligence is changing absolutely everything, and honestly, it's moving way faster than anyone expected. Today, we're diving into something that is touching all of our lives right now. I'm talking about editing media in seconds, whipping up Hollywood-quality images, drafting complex emails, or even building entire websites. AI apps are rapidly becoming everyone's secret weapon. It is happening at a total breakneck pace, and frankly, if you aren't using these tools yet, you are literally leaving hours of daily work on the table.
But here's the thing. We all inevitably ask ourselves the exact same question. Because let's face it, every single day a new AI tool launches, and it is completely overwhelming. You've got thousands of options out there, all promising to totally revolutionize your workflow. But which of these tools are actually worth your time and energy?
Well, that is exactly why we put together this explainer. We're cutting straight through all that noise to count down the absolute best AI apps that everyone is using right now. We've put together a curated, actionable list of tools that are actively saving millions of people time and massively boosting their productivity. And the best part? Some of these are completely free. Honestly, even adopting just one single tool from this list could completely change how you work today. So let's get into it. All right, Section 1, Smart Writing and Deep Research. Let's look at tools 10, 9, and 8.
Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have Grammarly AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Most people think of this as just your basic everyday spell checker. Well, not anymore. It has evolved massively. Now, it's a tool that can completely rewrite your emails, perfectly adjust your tone so you don't sound too harsh, and even summarize those long, tedious documents. Whether you're a student, a creator, or running your own business, Grammarly just makes anyone sound smarter and more articulate in seconds. It's basically a shortcut to writing better, faster.
Coming in at number 9, we've got Perplexity AI. We all know how incredibly tedious traditional search engines can be, right? You type in a question and then you're forced to manually dig through thousands of blue links trying to find what you need. Well, Perplexity completely changes the game. It combines web search with AI to give you one complete, direct answer, and it's all beautifully cited with actual sources. It is rapidly becoming the absolute favorite research tool for professionals, students, and journalists. It's honestly like having a brilliant personal researcher sitting right next to you. Now, at number 8 is Claude AI. Claude's real unique superpower? It's the ability to digest massive, massive documents. You can upload huge, dense PDFs, and it'll just analyze them, write up long reports, or even generate code for you. Businesses absolutely love Claude because it has this knack for explaining incredibly complicated topics in simple, natural language that just flows perfectly.
Moving right along to Section 2, Next Level Creative Superpowers. This covers tools 7, 6, and 5.
So here is where we move from text to tools that are literally replacing Hollywood studios. It's wild. At number 7, Midjourney gives you a professional digital artist on demand. You just type a sentence and boom, you get photorealistic artwork for thumbnails, logos, you name it. Then at number 6, Runway ML is bringing video editing into a totally new era, letting you generate cinematic video entirely from just text. And at number 5, 11 Labs handles your audio. It creates incredibly realistic AI voiceovers and clones in minutes. You essentially have a full-blown production crew right there on your laptop. Okay, Section 3, Mastering Design and Organization. Let's dive into tools 4 and 3. Coming in at number 4 is Canva AI. Now, Canva started out as a super simple design app, but man, it is completely transformed into this massive all-in-one AI creative platform. Right from a single dashboard, you can build full presentations, create videos, generate images, write your copy, and even magically remove backgrounds with one click. Literally everything you need is now centralized in one spot. Taking the number 3 spot is Notion AI. Look, if your digital life ever feels chaotic, and let's be real, whose doesn't, this is your solution. It actively writes your meeting notes, creates full project plans, summarizes complex documents, and just automatically organizes your work for you. It is quite literally an incredibly efficient AI project manager, and it's available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
And now, Section 4, the top 2 AI giants. These are the everyday operating systems of modern productivity.
Taking the silver medal at number 2 is, of course, ChatGPT. There is a very good reason this became one of the fastest-growing apps in human history. It's the ultimate Swiss Army knife. People are using it for coding, brainstorming business ideas, planning out travel itineraries, drafting resumes, and even language translation. Plus, the newest models handle text, images, and creative tasks instantly. For millions of people out there, this is the definitive productivity assistant.
But taking the absolute number 1 spot on our countdown is Google Gemini. Gemini handles coding, research, image generation, and planning, sure, but here's the kicker. It does it directly inside the tools you already use. It seamlessly integrates right into Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Google Search, and your Android devices.
The reason Gemini takes the very top spot isn't just because it's a super smart chatbot. It's because it removes all the friction. Because it connects seamlessly to the workspace ecosystem millions of us already use every single day, you don't actually have to change your workflow. The AI just instantly enhances what you're already doing anyway, and that is exactly why it's quickly becoming one of the most widely adopted AI assistants in the world.
Finally, Section 5, bonus tools and final thoughts. Let's do a quick rapid-fire round.
Because the AI landscape is just so unbelievably massive, we've got to throw in a few incredible honorable mentions. For you creators out there, you have CapCut AI for social media editing, Adobe Firefly, Gamma AI for stunning presentations, Leonardo AI for breathtaking images, and Synthesia for AI avatars. Over on the enterprise side, Microsoft Copilot is absolutely dominating. And for the developers tuning in, tools like Cursor AI, Bolt.new, Lovable, and Manus AI are completely changing how software is built from the ground up. Seriously, drop a comment below and let us know which of these you're going to try first.
So, what does this all mean? At the end of the day, AI isn't replacing creativity. It's giving creative people superpowers. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a creator, or just someone curious about where the future is heading, these tools are not here to take your job. They are here to unlock brand new ideas and help you accomplish significantly more in way less time than you ever could on your own.
The tools are right there. Many of them are totally free and they're just waiting to be utilized. So, which of these AI superpowers will you use to change the way you work today? If you found this explainer valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest trends in tech and AI. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.